models work. So the AI models, as you just hear, as just started from that term AI model. These are just models which have been built, which mimic human behavior, and they have been able to understand the human language. So you'll hear somebody saying about natural language processing. So they have been able to process this natural language that we speak and understood how we communicate and what we mean by certain words. So these models, the way they've been built, they're not autonomous. They don't have a life of their own. Yeah, so it's somebody to sit down, or a group of people to sit down to start deciding on the parameters they're going to use in this to build up this model. So the model itself, it has been designed by humans, by people who have sat down and developed that model, which now, after training it using data, so they feed it information from the real world to tell that, like to teach it to make it know that if somebody says hello, the response is supposed to give is hello. Yeah, as a communication. So as with time, with more data, this model now comes to understand, or it comes to make connections, not understanding actually. It just makes connections between words. So whenever it's giving you responses, these are just words which have been predicted, yeah, with a high level of accuracy based on how we have been communicating as humans. So in the bottom line is this, that AI models do not have a life of their own, so they cannot go out there and make decisions and decide and say, like, okay, I see there's a road here. Let's say, like, I see there's a hill here which is blocking my passage, and then just remove it. They don't think like that. Yeah, they just understand our language and how we speak. So in that respect, it means that it is not possible for these models to just go and decide and just take away jobs. It's upon people to sit down and design models that can be able to perform particular tasks that people do. So for us to achieve that model that can be an entity of its own, think on its own, we are still to go over some certain hurdles to arrive at that point. So that means that courses like computer science, in as much as we are going to have challenges in terms of, like, okay, computers can generate codes. Yes, they can generate codes, but it's upon a human being to tell this computer that I want a particular code, exactly, so that can give me and I can use it. Yeah. So we'll need the computer scientists. So, but I think, for me, I think will not need them as many as we need them right now. In future, they'll be much lesser, because now the computer will be assisting you in most of the works. So the courses that I believe that are going to be very, very important, computer science is going to be important, but don't invest so much. Don't in terms of human capital. Let's just have a sizable human capital in that one. But courses like computer engineering, we need more capital there. Computer engineering, we need more capital there. So courses like data scientists, we need more data scientists. We need also mathematicians, a lot of mathematicians. Software engineering. Yes, we do need those ones, because to put the layers on top of the models which can now interact with humans. Also, we need just normal engineers. We need normal engineers also.
I think we also need cybersecurity experts.
Very, very important.
Very important, because cybersecurity experts are the ones who will be able to counter this model. Someone was also talking about having a ethics policy analyst that will be able to kind of, can I say, put guardrails or measures to limit this AI, so that it
aligns,
operates or it aligns with certain ethical behaviors that we need in a society. So I think what might be a threat is routine. If you are doing a routine job, something like, especially I'm worried of these manufacturing industries, people who do routine tasks, like your work is to carry this glass, put it here, or to put this glass and to pack this glass. So those are the people I totally don't think they be anywhere in the market. So routine jobs, experts, if you are an expert in routine job, a job that has been, because as you say,